Ayan po lahat ang ating mga sangkap sa ating lulutuing buttered chicken. And for the complete list of the ingredients for our buttered chicken, just check the description below. Now, let's start cooking. First, we have to put the butter. Gagawa ko ng buttered chicken kasi ito yung isa sa mga paborito ng mga alaga namin na kainin na ulam. And it's very delicious. Now our butter is become melt. We have to put our onion. Haluin lang maigi. And having fun in the kitchen while doing buttered chicken. Pagkatapos ito, ano na siya, ready na siyang ilagay na natin ang ating tomatoes. Paghaluin maigi. Let it cook for a little, like 2 to 3 minutes a little, and then ayan. Now I'm going to add my garlic and ginger paste. One of the best ingredients of buttered chicken. And then keep on mixing. And now I'm going to add my cashew nuts. I soak it for about like 20 minutes to become softened. Paghaluin, mix well, you know. Now I'm going to add my masala. Ayan, this one, my buttered chicken, this one homemade. It's not too much spicy, less chili. But if you like spicy, you can add more powder chili. Now let's eat this one. Let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And for those still not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Thank you! Ayan, almost ready na po siya. Tapos ang ginagawa ko dito sa bahay, pag ano siya, pag nagluluto ako nito, pagkatapos after ng 6 minutes, I close the heat and then I put it in a bowl for a meantime, like to this one. Pinapalamig ko muna siya ng mga 5 to 10 minutes, saka de-blend ko. For your own safety din kasi kung minsan kasi sobrang init, nagpapap yung ano natin sa blender, kaya para iwas paso na rin, ganun po. Ayan, ganyan na po ang itsura niya pagkatapos na ma-blend. Mainit pa rin, at least hindi na masyado safety na tayo dyan sa paso, you know. Ngayon naman, now we will do this one chicken. I add little this one 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan, and I add the chicken, the sliced chicken. And then mix it well. Pasensya na hindi ko malagyan ng yung camera sa ka-focus, kundi sa kaldero lang siya. Tapos ngayon, i-add na natin ang ating blended na sauce ng ating buttered chicken. Ganito na siya. See, look, it's so delicious and yummy. Now, our buttered chicken, our delicious buttered chicken is ready. See how delicious it is. See, making a delicious buttered chicken at home is so amazing. Now you can eat it with white rice, and if you have paratha or any pita bread, it's good also.